Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. The world's largest cruise ship docked in Falmouth, Trelawney for the first time on Wednesday. With the new vessel set to make multiple calls over the next year, stakeholders are hoping the town will see economic benefits. Here's Javon Keys.
In March 2011, what was then the largest cruise ship in the world, the Oasis of the Sea, docked in the town of Falmouth, the first of the mega cruise ships or Oasis-class vessels to come to the island. But since March this year, there's been a new mega ship at sea. This could be mistaken for any high street in a big city, but it's actually on the largest cruise ship in the world, the Wonder of the Sea, and it's docked in Falmouth, Trelawney. Captain of the vessel Henrik Loy says the ship, which costs almost $2 billion to build, carries nearly 7,000 passengers and over 2,000 crew. The cruise ship port at Falmouth revolutionized the small town, and Chamber President James Tweedy says the new class of vessel presents new opportunities for earnings. He says, however, at each call, only an average 20% of passengers disembark the vessel and head to the town. Mr. Tweedy says there's some work to be done to have more people spending in the city.
We have a big challenge right now in Jamaica, as we know, with the garbage. Well, actually, last night on the news, the Prime Minister said that as of today, we'll be seeing a change. We only hope for that change. Island-wide, it's something we need, and that is our major problem right now. Traffic is another issue here in the town. Parking and so forth. I know that the parish council is actually working on that as we speak.
Business operators agree.
There's a lot of warnings out there for be careful when you go to Jamaica, be careful when you go out, don't take your credit card, don't take the money. I think that gives a negative feeling in people's mind. They really can experience the best island we have to offer. I think the perception has to change, and we collectively have to make that effort. Collectively, I think the local authority can come up with some more, cleaning up the town, creating some more attraction for people, safe to walk around, and I think that will make people come back again and feel comfortable and come out of the ship to experience Jamaica.
Port manager for the Falmouth cruise ship terminal, Mark Hilton, says some work is in the pipeline.
We are engaging currently with Royal Caribbean to determine what is the next step we need to take to transform after 12 years of operations in terms of the appeal for the visitors, the activities that we offer. There's a lot of retail now, but we are looking to determine where we go in terms of on-port activities for those guests who do not want to go far away from the terminal. Other thing we want to do, we're engaging with the Tourism Product Development Company and the Municipal Authority.
The Wonder of the Seas has a few more local calls remaining for the winter tourist season. With 5 more calls remaining for the largest cruise ship in the world to come to Falmouth, Trelawney, it's expected that with more improvements being done to the city, more economic benefit can be had by citizens. Javon Keys reporting for TVJ News from the Wonder of the Sea.
The US dollar is being sold for an average $154.51. $115.65 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar, $187.81 for the pound, while it's costing an average $163.30 for the euro. To the stock market now, the JSE index rose by 2,956 points today, while the junior market index lost 70 points. Among the winners, Iron Rock Insurance, Consolidated Bakeries Jamaica, Victoria Mutual Investments, Supreme Ventures, and Margaritaville Turks. Decliners were led by Access Financial Services, Indies Pharma Jamaica, Knutsford Express, Kingston Properties, and Express Catering. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.